Welcome to ELEATION's YouTube channel. Today, we're diving into a question many aspiring programmers have. Why should you start your coding journey with C programming? Whether you are aiming to land an internship, a full-time job, or just to level up your skills, this video will show you why C is the best first step. And hey, stick around to learn how you can get a huge discount on our C training program. Let's get started. So, why start with C? Well, C is like the foundation of many modern programming languages. It's the building block. Once you master C, learning other languages like Python, Java, or C++ becomes much easier. Plus, C teaches you how a computer really works, giving you a deeper understanding of memory management, data structures, and system-level programming. This gives you an edge in both job interviews and practical coding tasks. Still wondering why C is so important? Well, it's everywhere. C is used in operating systems, embedded systems, game development, and even cutting-edge technologies like AI and robotics. Big companies like Microsoft, Apple, and Intel rely on C to power their most critical systems. Learning C not only opens the door to internships and jobs but also prepares you to work on exciting, real-world projects. Now, here's the best part. ELEATION's C training program is designed to give you everything you need to master C and land internships or jobs. Our program includes real-world projects, hands-on coding exercises, and detailed support. And guess what? If you register right now, you can enroll for just 1000 Indian rupees. Yes, you heard that right. Rupees 1000 instead of the regular, rupees 2499. Hurry, scan the QR code on the screen to get started today and secure your spot. Opportunities like this don't last forever. So, how can C programming land you a job or internship? Simple. Employers value candidates who understand the core principles of programming, and C is one of the best ways to prove your skills. Whether it's a tech company, a startup, or a research lab, they all appreciate the solid foundation that C provides. It shows you can think logically, solve complex problems, and handle system-level challenges, qualities every employer looks for. At ELEATION, we'll help you get there with our internship opportunities and project-based learning. So, what are you waiting for? C programming is the perfect starting point for your coding journey. It gives you the foundation, the skills, and the confidence to take on bigger challenges, and ultimately, land that dream internship or job. Join ELEATION's C training program today by scanning the QR code on your screen. Pay just 1000 Indian rupees and take your first step towards a brighter future. Don't miss out.